Hi there, welcome to the practice questions on being able to work out the volume of a triangular prism. What I'd like you to do now is to pause the video, have a go at questions 1 and 2, then when you're happy with your answers, then restart the video and work through the model answers with me. Make sure you haven't made any mistakes. So if you pause the video now and have a go at questions 1 and 2. Hi, welcome back. Let's now go through these two model answers together. Question 1. Work out the volume of this prism. Now this is a very straightforward question. If we're working out the volume of a prism, we find the area of the front face first. This is known as the cross-sectional area. So find the area of the cross-section first of all. Area of a triangle is given by base times height divided by 2. So the base is 6, the height is 4, but because it's a triangle we must divide that by 2. 6 fours are 24. Divide that by 2 gives us my answer of 12. And then we multiply that by the length. 12 times 10 is going to give us our answer of 120, and the units this time are centimetres cubed because it's a volume. 120 centimetres cubed. Okay, part 2 now. Right, this time we're told that the volume is 240 centimetres cubed, and we're given the base and the length. We're given 2 out of the 3 measurements that would be required to work out the volume. That's enough to be able to find this missing value. So I'm going to set this up as an equation. So to find the volume, we should be doing the area of the cross section first and then timesing it by 12. So the area of the cross section is a base times height. Base is 4 times the height. We don't know the height, so I'm just going to put 4x. We don't need to write the times in algebra. X is this missing value for the height, so 4 times the height divided by 2. But then we need to multiply this part, the cross section, by the length. So we need to times that by 12, and that's going to equal what we're told in the question is the volume, 240. Okay, so now we've got to basically solve this equation and find out what x is. The first thing then I'm going to do is I'm going to get rid of this times in by 12 here. If you're times in by a number, to get rid of that 12 I'll be dividing by that number. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to take this 12 and divide by it to get rid of it. If I divide by 12 on one side, I must divide by 12 on the other side. So that now leaves us with 4x over 2 is equal to 240 divided by 12. Well, that's just going to give us 20. Now what I can do is I can get rid of the 2 here. I can multiply both sides by 2. So that's then going to give us 4x. 2 times 20 is 40. And then finally I can divide both sides by 4. So my value for x, which is in fact the height, is going to be 10. And the units are just centimetres. We can always check this back at the end. So 4 times 10 is 40. Halve it is 20. 20 times 12 gives us the 240 that we've got in the question.